There's an extremely popular category of YouTube videos that can make you $1,000 or more per day. Today we're going to be talking about how you can make money with a relaxing music channel. Videos can actually be easy to make, and in fact, you can even use AI to do most of the work for you so you can make money on autopilot. Stay tuned so I can show you how you can build a cash cow YouTube channel that will make you money while you sleep with minimal effort. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of it, let's take a look at the potential for making money with a relaxing music channel. Firstly, let's take a look at 4K Video Nature Focus Music. As you can see, their videos are for deep focus and feature a lot of nature video clips. If we go over to their Social Blade, we can see that they are making around $10,000 a month. Next up, let's take a look at Cozy Coffee Shop. And as you can see, they provide a coffee shop environment with jazz music, perfect for studying or getting quiet work done. And if we take a look at their Social Blade, we can see that Cozy Coffee Shop is making over $10,000 a month. Now, let's take a look at Chill Music Lab. This channel provides chill music for focus and productivity. And as we can see here, this channel is very successful, making over $19,000 a month. Next up, let's take a glance at a channel called Coffee Relaxing Jazz. And as the channel name implies, it features relaxing jazz music and a coffee shop environment perfect for studying or relaxing. This channel is making over $19,000 a month. Finally, let's take a look at Lo-Fi Cafe. This channel provides a relaxing cafe environment with lo-fi music, a very popular music type in this category. According to data provided by Social Blade, this channel has had over 9 million views in the last 30 days and makes over $30,000 a month just from ad revenue. Imagine being able to make $30,000 a month or even $10,000 a month in passive income. For a lot of people, that would be completely life-changing. Alright, now that you've seen how much money it's possible to make by simply uploading relaxing music videos, let's get started on how you can do it too. First, pick a type of music that you want to focus on for your channel. Some of the most popular types of relaxing music are lo-fi, jazz, classical, and ambient. You can even use rain and thunder sounds. Once you know what type of music you're going to use, the next step is to get some music. You have to make sure that you are using royalty-free music, otherwise you will get a copyright claim on your video. There are many different sources where you can acquire your royalty-free music. Let me show you a few of them. First, let's head on over to upbeat.io. As you can see, they have the music separated into different categories like moods and genres. Search through the categories you like and pick out some cool music for your video. If you like any of the songs, you can hit download to get it, or you can click on the heart to add it to your favorites. With the free account, you'll be able to download 3 songs per month, and if you need more, then you will have to register a premium or a business account. Another great source for music is toontank.com. So head on over there and browse through the themes and genres and pick out some songs you like to go with your channel. In this case, I really like this Vibes song, so I'm going to download this one. And just browsing around, I also like this Coffee House song, so I'm going to download this one as well. Toontank also provides a free account with up to 3 free downloads per month. And if you need more, you will have to register a paid account for a few bucks a month. This next music source is one that nobody is talking about yet. I'm pretty sure by now you've heard about or discovered the power of AI. You can now create your own music instantly using the power of AI. For this, you will go to moobert.com, then click on Generate a Track Now. From here, enter a prompt for the type of music you want to create. Set the duration, let's leave it at 45 seconds for this example, and hit Generate Track. The AI will generate a song based on your prompt. You can download it or tell it to make similar music by clicking on Generate Similar. You can also browse through their categories of music, and if you like any of the tracks, you can download them or generate similar ones. So now that you have the music for your relaxing music video, the next step is to get some footage for your relaxing music video. For this, you can use a number of different sources like pexels.com, pixabay.com, storyblocks.com, adobe.com, or Envato Elements. Once you have your footage and music ready to go, open up your favorite video editor such as OpenShot, CapCut, iMovie, or Adobe Premiere Pro. In your editing program, add your music into the audio track and either loop it for as long as you want or add multiple songs to make it longer, then add your clips in. One method is to use nature video clips or drone footage, but you can use whichever footage is suitable for your channel or music type. And as you can see, once we put these clips and music together, you have a pretty good looking, relaxing music video. Now, let me show you how you can use AI to make your video. Head on over to midjourney.com and sign up for a basic plan, which is a few bucks a month. Using Midjourney, we will have AI create images for us, which we can use for our relaxing music videos. If you don't have a Discord account, then you will have to create one to use Midjourney. Once you got all that set up, open up your Discord and go to the Midjourney server. You can check out the Getting Started channel and then head on over to a newbie channel and start creating images here. Or if you want your images to be private, then you can talk to the Midjourney bot directly by clicking on the member list and then selecting the Midjourney bot and sending it a message. Now you will have a private chat room to generate your images. Depending on the type of relaxing music that you're doing, you're going to want to create an image specific for that. For example, let's say we have a relaxing cafe music channel. So let's create an image for that. You would type the command /imagine and then describe your image. Let's try the following prompt. This is going to tell it to create a 2D digital illustration of an interior of a relaxing cafe shop. We're going to add --AR space 16:9, and that's going to make the aspect ratio a good size for videos. And then press enter. Midjourney gives you 4 different images to choose from. Select the one you like the best and make it larger by clicking U and the respective number. The top left image is image number 1. The top right is image 2, the bottom left is image 3, and the bottom right is image 4. After you've selected to upsize the image you like, Midjourney will make it larger, at which point you download it by opening the image in a new tab, right-click it, and select Save Image As. If you don't like any of the results, you can click this button here to try the same prompt again, or you can try a different prompt till you get your desired result. Follow the same process for getting your video going using this AI image. Open your favorite video editor and load the image and music in. Make sure the image fits in the frame completely. You can drag the image to the desired video length just like this. I'm going to show you how you can use an overlay on top, so head on over to Envato Elements and download your favorite overlays. You can use particle overlay, dust overlay, rain overlay, or snow overlay, depending on your image and desired effect. For this video, we will use a particle overlay. Let's go ahead and drop it in. Play it back and see how nice it looks. From here, you can add text or whichever other effects you want to your videos. Let's go ahead and add the text Relaxing Cafe. You can add the name of your channel, the music type, or whatever you want. This relaxing music video looks very professional. Feel free to get creative with your very own relaxing music channel and add your own zing to it. Here are just a couple more examples of what you can create using this method. Just remember to stick to one type of music genre. That way you can start to get subscribers faster and they know what to expect from your channel. Now that you've learned how easy it is to create your own relaxing music video using AI, you can be on your way to building yourself an online cash cow channel that can generate you income while you sleep. Keep in mind that building a channel and getting monetized takes time and patience and is not something that will happen overnight. But if you stay patient and determined, it's absolutely possible. I hope that you've gained some value from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.